The process of working with criminal defense heroes starts usually with an encounter with the police. Somebody is pulled over or otherwise in a situation where they get arrested, and then they're looking for an attorney.
When someone first calls the firm, I'll be the first point of contact. We understand for many of them that this is the first time they've ever been arrested, first time they've ever had any type of encounter with law enforcement. So we do our best to make them feel comfortable, at ease as much as possible. I'll find out about their case, what they've been charged with. I'll explain the process of what's going to happen, the things we're going to do to help them, and then we get them signed up.
So we start working on a case right away to develop strategies that are going to lead to a better result in the long run. And sometimes that's through various motions to try to get the thing dismissed, possible diversion. We're going to recommend a variety of mitigation strategies. We might recommend that a client attend AA meetings or some sort of counseling. We may send them to get an evaluation from a mental health professional. We're going to gather whatever positive things the person's been doing, any community service work, any degrees or certificates, proof that they've held a job for a long time, anything that we can use to show that this person is not what's in the report the prosecutor is going to be looking at. And then when it comes time for court, we have a defense laid out and we know exactly what we're going to do when we walk into that courtroom. So from there, we may file various motions, we may negotiate with the prosecutor, we may set the case for trial. Over 97% of cases are resolved without a trial. And that's because either we're able to get the case dismissed without going to trial, or we're able to work out a diversion, which leads to a dismissal, or we're able to work out some sort of a deal that the defendant is willing to accept. If we get the case dismissed, then the next thing we're going to do is file a petition to seal the record of arrest. So then the client can say they were never even arrested. We do that in every case that we get dismissed. We don't just stop because we got the case dismissed and declare victory and go on with our lives. We want to maximize our impact. We want to maximize the good result that we got so that legally when you're filling out applications in the future, the client can say, nope, never even been arrested. It's important for people to know that one mistake doesn't define you. It doesn't have to define who you are. It doesn't have to define your future. And with the right team behind you, when it's handled correctly, we can navigate this system and come out the other side in a better position.